Here we go again. After tornadoes in Texas this afternoon, we have another risk, now a level 3, an enhanced risk for a severe weather outbreak this Saturday, December 28th, down in the southeast. So we're saying Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, be ready for several rounds of storms with all hazards possible. This includes tornadoes, large hail, and high wind. Now, this is coming during one of the busiest travel days of the year, so make sure that you and your friends and your family are informed of this threat. Of course, we'll be mapping it here at Hail Trace, so follow for more weather updates.